Fire it up, boys. Let's make some noise.
Throw it up from the back to the front, if you would, please. High-flying motorcycle madman. We're here defying death and gravity to prove
You don't have to run, but you do have to hurry along.
because it's showtime right now.
Long before anyone ever heard of drag racers or stock car drivers, there were bikers riding the wall of death. These were America's first extreme athletes. They not only rode on this 15-foot vertical wall, they entertained on it. Riders performed daring acrobatic maneuvers, tricks and stunts of every kind, exhibiting unprecedented balance and control. The Wall of Death became a phenomenon, as did the motorcycle chosen to go up against it, Indian Scout. Scout's design was innovative, its craftsmanship far ahead of its time, its performance like nothing else. Scout gained fame in hill climbs, flat track, land speed, and endurance racing. Its reputation went global, as Scout served with distinction on the battlefields of World War II. No matter how far Scout traveled, it never stopped running circles around other motorcycles on the Wall of Death. To the crowd, the bike on the wall could be anything. To riders, Indian Scout became the bike all others were measured against, on and off the wall. Now, that singular masterful example of American craftsmanship is returning, once again the product of forward thinking, true to its heritage of innovation, ready to bring legendary balance and control to the open road. Introducing quintessential American style in a sophisticated mid-size ride. The new 2015 Indian Scout. The new Indian Scout respects its heritage while boldly advancing rider expectations of a mid-size bike. Scout is masterfully engineered and easy to ride. It's light, low, and extremely well balanced. New and experienced bikers feel intuitively connected to Scout. Its sure-footed maneuverability inspires confidence and control. A closer look reveals rich attention to detail. It carries the same forward-leaning lines as the first Scout. Even at rest, it begs to be released. Scout has a raw, unpretentious beauty. Its vibe is powerful. Its lines, historic. Its solo tanned leather seat is signature Indian. And Scout sets a new standard for performance. With 6 speeds and 100 horsepower from a liquid-cooled 1133cc engine, it easily pulls away from others in its class. And at a price under $11,000, other mid-size bikes have a long way to go to catch the new Indian Scout. Sometimes you ride for the crowd. Sometimes your own approval is all that really matters. We built Scout in a new century to celebrate a legendary machine, to reclaim the mantle of balance and control, and build a bike that rides like nothing else. That hard-earned reputation once again belongs to Indian Scout.